Hello guys, my name is Vinisha and in the previous video we have seen that on the page reload the alert has been visible. We have seen and learn about view, how to create view. Now in this video we will know about models, how to create models, how to set the value of model, how to get the value of model. So this all things are will be teach in this video. So to create model, this much code we have done in the previous video. So to create model, we have to create one variable and I will name it as first model. It is same like this. We have to write backbone, then we have to write model. I have told you in the previous video that this functions will be same. These functions will be same. If you want to create model, then we have to write just model. If you want to create collections, then we have to write create. So our class of first model is created successfully. Now to initialize that initialize this model, we have to create one object. So I will create one object, first model obj, and I will call this class new dot first model. Now my object is created. As I have told you that in the model you can store data. So to store data, you have to just call this object first model, no, first model object, first model object, and we have to use the set method. Set method is used to set the value in the model. I want to set the value like a roll number equal to 1. We have to use colon, then name equal to Vinith, and our contact number equal to randomly putting some digits. So in this way we can set the value of this model. If I save this and if I click on refresh, right now you can see hello world is visible because we have created the view and initialized that view. But to get the value of this model, we have to call this model. I will show you in the console. uh, okay, so there is another method dot get, from which we will get the values of that model. If I want to get the values or value of name, then I will get the value of name. As you can see, Vinith is visible. If I will zoom it little bit. If I want to get the value of roll number, then I will get the value of roll number. If I want to get the value of contact, so like this you have a good idea about how to use this get method. So we will use this get method to use this data of model. I will use this model data in view. It is a basic example. If we are using one website or if we are using or developing our application, then we have to store data in the model and we have to display that data on our view. So we are doing the same thing here. Now our value is being setted. Now we have to call this value in our view. So to attach our view and model, we have to first, I will remove these blank lines. So to attach, we have to add one line. We have to add model colon the name of that object. This is the name of the model object. Use comma. So in this way we can attach view with the model. Now this model is being attached to this view. Now I can use the data or values of this model in this view. To use the value, if I'm calling this render, then instead of hello world, I will print console.log. I will print this model, this dot model dot get, as I shown you earlier, name. So I will get the value of this name parameter. I will hit refresh, reload. So as you can see, I will get the value of this name parameter. So sorry for the little bit of disturbance. As you can see, my name is visible. Here I'm calling this model dot get name. My name is visible. If we want to visible all the data of this model, then we can use to JSON method. After using to JSON method, if I reload the page, now you can see all the data is visible. Roll number 1, name Vinith, contact number, this is what we have set it. So all the data is visible. So you have a pretty good idea of how to create the model, how to set the value of this model, how to get the value of this model, and how to attach this model to this view. One more thing that I want to show you, that if no value is added to this or set to this model, then we can also set a default value. Like we have to open and close the curly braces in this extend method, and we have to write defaults. We have to use colon and open and close the curly brackets. I will use roll number equal to 0. It is just like constructor. We are setting the default or false value on initialization, and contact is equal to null. So I have created one default value. If I will not set this value, for example, I will comment this and I will print this model.json. So which value will be visible? I have not set the value. I have commented that code. So the default value will be visible from this model. This is the default value. If I go to the Chrome and reload this page, then the default value is visible. As you can see, the default value is visible. So thank you guys for watching this video, and next video I will show you how to create collection is basically the array of model. You can say the array of model. So stay tuned. Thank you.